to stop people from seeing you view their profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. In your profile, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy, which is the second option in here. Then simply scroll down and you'll find Viewers. It may be Viewers or Viewers History. You can simply click on it and then turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to stop people from seeing you view their profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.